What's going on, guys? Sorry if the audio or the footage is a little wonky. I'm having to use a different GoPro due to forgot to charge the other one. But today we got this 2012 Mustang GT. We're going to be doing a blowfish, shifter bracket, and pedal max from JMS, a Stita brace, and of course the crown jewel, this Mantic clutch. Woo! Look at that goodness. Honestly, it's a beautiful setup. Most guys will tell you it's more money than it's worth. Just go with the McLeod RST or RST. But man, if you can afford it, that's a pretty ass clutch to be putting in your car. So here's the car. John's finna start getting busy on it. We'll get all these parts put on. See how she does. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Sorry I've been away for a little while. I had the flu. That shit really screwed me up for like a whole week, but we're gonna get back at it. So we got this I think 2012, 2013, I can't remember exactly, Mustang GT in today for a little tune. And then we also got some goodies in for the 65. So, oh yeah, some goodies. Got the upgraded front spindles. Those finally came in, and also the side exit exhaust for it. So there'll be some footage of all those goodies going on soon. And so let's get the day started. Alright guys, so we've got this thing all strapped down and dynamo set up. So let's go ahead and make our baseline tug and see where we're at. First attempt to make a tug there, we had a little bit of tire spin, but second pull clean. So let's see here. Looks like we got a baseline of 395 horsepower and 370 foot-pounds of torque. So it's a good start. Alright guys, so we're making a little bit more progress here on the 14 Mustang GT. Looks like so far we've got it up now to 405 and 377. So we'll plug away at it a little bit more here and see where it ends up. Also, John is over here working on the Subaru, getting the intake manifold on. Hopefully have this one wrapped up here soon and get it stabbed back in the car. Alright guys, well we're about to pull another Mustang in. It's the one that we just did the Mantic clutch to. Got that all wrapped up. But we're actually gonna check the pinion angle on it because the customer wanted us to check it due to we had some aftermarket stuff put on the rear end before we got a hold of it. So we're gonna pull it in and check the pinion angle on it. But I just wanted to show you guys something kind of funny real quick. We have this black Mustang, and then the car that we did the Mantic on happens to also be black, and then we have the one that we tuned today was black. So we got a bunch of black Mustangs. If you've ever done the pinion angle on a Mustang, it's not too bad. Basically you get it up in the air. Once you get the car up in the air, you get a level where you can get underneath it. You're going to take a measurement off the drive shaft, and then take the measurement off the bottom of your differential, and then take those two numbers and subtract them, and that'll give you your pinion angle. And on these Mustangs, we like to set them up at around a -2. -1, somewhere in there on these manual cars. So we'll get underneath here and see what we end up with. Give an update on this 2018 Mustang GT. We've got the front lowering springs in with the adjustable camber plates up top. So that's all done on both sides. And then John is currently in the back installing the new rear springs and new rear bump stops. So we'll get those installed and then see what this thing looks like lowered a little bit.